Hey folks. Okay, y'all want to hear a little story? Once upon a time, there was an old biker dude. I'm an old biker dude, man. The final product. All right, let's go to Daytona. Well, it's just about 405 miles, something like that. I think we can do that today. I'm not a big fan of doing 400 miles a day, but I think we can pull it off today. Oh, what a nice day. A little cool in the air this morning, but oh man, it's been a long winter time. Oh my goodness. I am so ready for this ride. I feel like I've been a prisoner in there, laying in that easy chair watching YouTube videos. Man, but here we go. Well, I've got about 350 miles of it out of the way today. All back roads or country roads, no interstate today. Tried to stay off the main highways too, but I did a few US highway miles. I got about, I guess it's about 430. So I got about 7 hours in this so far today. Real nice ride. Man, the sun was out at 70 degrees all day, 72. Sky looked like a Bob Ross painting, man. It was just such a nice day to be riding. But I filled up just now and I thought I'd take me a little break and just stand out here and breathe in some of this air and take me a little break. The truth is, I'm a little bit stiff. I don't usually do 400-mile days very often, but I wanted to go ahead and get down here to my buddy's house. It's Thursday, so we still got, you know, a good 3-day weekend to go and gonna have a lot of fun. Got a few things planned out. First, I'm gonna break my rules and eat in a couple of restaurants down here. I'm not camping on this. I am pulling my trailer, but that's only because after I leave Rob's house on Sunday, I'm gonna probably cruise over to the other side of Florida and maybe hit a few campgrounds. I want to try to see the manatees. Hopefully I can get some film of that over in the springs over by the river. That's always one of my favorite things to do when I come to Florida. But so far so good. Good trip. Having a lot of fun. While I'm standing around, I figure this would be a good time to check my new solar system. You know, I'm using the Power Wagon, of course. Back to using the smaller trailer. Got it set up with a new system now. Of course, I had that video showing the setup of it. Probably maybe 1 or 2 videos back. Y'all might want to check that out if you pull trailers or anything like that. See how I've got my trailer equipped. But I've got my new Bluetti AC70. As you can see, it's up at 98% right there. The only thing running is my refrigerator. That's about 35, 36, 38 watts right now. We have just gotten a few clouds, so I'm only pulling in a few watts through my solar panel, but once we get back in the sun, see, it kept it at practically 100% all day. So it's been doing real good. Got 2 backup batteries here for this trip, because I will be doing a little bit of camping. But so far so good. I'm really delighted with my new system. It seems to be doing real well. I miss my little Bluetti EB3A, but this one's got a lot more capability, and it just gives me a lot more depth when I'm out here camping and stuff like that. But like I said, so far so good. Old Indian, old Chief's running pretty good. I got him a little dirty. I'm gonna have to clean it up when I get to my buddy's house down here. I did run through a little bit of a sprinkle this morning before I got started real good. Alright, we got about another 80, maybe 85 miles here. Let's go ahead and get this knocked out. Get on down here to Daytona. Well, as if I needed to add to the excitement, I had a freaking flat tire down here at Daytona. And so anyway, Rob's buddy Tony let us borrow a trailer. So we came over here, got my motorcycle off the side of the road. Of course, I tried to ride it to the tire store, and it sucked the valve stem down inside the rim. And so we borrowed this trailer, and we were able to load it up and take it over to another friend over here in Bunnell, Florida. It's a place called Tri-City Cycles. The guy's name is Scott that owns it. I'm gonna tell y'all, all you bikers, y'all are down here at Daytona, whether it's a springtime rally or fall or just whenever you're here, if you have trouble, man, I highly recommend this Tri-City Cycles. This guy Scott, man, he could have broke it off in me right now, but he charged me a really fair price to change out my tire, well, put a new inner tube in it. And I mean, this is bike week. He could have easily charged me whatever he wanted, and I'd have had to pay it. He had the inner tube I needed, and you know, just really thumbs up to Scott at Tri-City Cycles over here in Bunnell, Florida. You guys take and write that name down. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put his name and stuff on the screen. Take a moment and write down this number. If you're ever down here in the Daytona Beach area, you might want to have this number, because he'll respond to you quickly. I just would highly recommend being armed with that number in this area. That's my buddy Mike. They're getting ready to go get some breakfast. I'm still sitting around waiting on my tire to get fixed. They're gonna call me this Saturday morning. Boy, that was just untimely what happened yesterday. Doggone, I had to be the one that kind of ruined everybody's day. There's my other buddy Mike right there. They went and found a place yesterday that would fix my tire for me. I mentioned the name, Tri-City Cycles over in Bunnell. The guy's really cool, man. He worked me in. He's going to do my tire first thing this morning. So I'll probably be back riding by about noon. But that's my situation right now. I'm just kind of in wait mode. But this little break has given me a chance to get a lot done on my little trailer. Kind of refine my new setup a little bit. I realize that I'm gonna have to change the positions of my batteries back there just a little bit, because the vibration going down the road keeps turning my handle and loosening my top, and it has a little habit of bouncing up and down when I hit bumps, because the handle's not locked in there good. So I've got to figure out something on that. And there goes my buddy Rob. That's whose house we're all at down here. So everybody's gone except me. I'm just waiting on that phone call from over there to tell me that my bike's ready. But it shouldn't be long.